A basic introduction on how the Illustro series works and what makes it unique and what makes it special. Some people have struggled with the principle to get it into their mind why it's better than other fixtures, and in this video I'm going to try to explain the best way I can by using a little bit of a demo on one of our fittings here. Now, the Illustro series works in two parts. You have the head here that is high pressure sealed, it's clamp sealed, so it's clamp sealed there. Now, what you've got is this die cast area here. Inside there, you'll feel it's quite heavy. It's got a magnetic coil, like a coil you will find in a transformer. Basically, that picks up some current. When there's a probe placed in here, the probe has an EMC, and that will generate its own power inside the head there, which means that you can keep this totally sealed. We set that all in resin, so you don't get any condensation through to the glass up here on the LED, above the LEDs, and it's impervious to water. That part is IP68. You can put that underwater and it will not leak any water. What you've then got is the base. Now, the base has the plastic probe. That's a plastic housing which has got an electronic PCB inside with the probe inside, and that then again is multi-stage resin filled. So they will put the PCB in, we layer it with resin, then we let that set, then we resin fill it again, and then we pressure clamp that down. So when it's set, totally set, you might have a gland here, but if that gland came away, water wouldn't get into there. And then obviously the cable going off. So what that means is then this part is impervious to water as well. Being a mains fitting, if it's a mains fitting, then it's IP67, because you have to rate that at IP67 for mains. It cannot be in a swimming pool, etc. Obviously your cable is then away from the fitting and sealed on a joint. Water then can't get into this part. So when that is set inside, you can remove it. You can remove it if you decided to wrap the cable below the fitting and have your joint below the fitting. Then you can lift it out if you need from the top, because you can remove 3 screws and lift that up. Then the head goes on. What that means is you don't need a water table as well. Now, that is on most of the fittings. Nearly all of them are totally sealed in that way. Some, like the asymmetric version, have air inside, so we might pressure seal them for the IP rating, but there's air inside, so you will still get that air inside a fitting. With these, they cannot get any humidity, so that's the main benefit factor as well. You won't get any moisture, little water crystals gathering on the top of the glass, etc., which happens a lot in buried up lights. Anyway, that's just a quick video on the Illustro series. Any more information you need, let us know. Thank you.